In this video, I'll show you how to update a checklist item using Trello in N8N, step by step, so you can quickly edit the exact item you need without wasting time searching through your board manually. If you work with automations, task tracking, or project workflows, this is a really useful action to know because it helps you keep your Trello checklists updated directly from N8N. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N workflow guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want the Trello action to happen, so make sure you're in the correct automation before adding anything new. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. On the left side, search for and choose Trello. This will add the Trello integration node into your workflow so you can connect directly to your Trello account. After that, select Update a Checklist item from the available actions. This is the specific operation you need when you want to modify an existing checklist item instead of creating a new card or checklist. Next, choose the credential you want to use. Pick the Trello account that has access to the board and checklist item you want to update. If you already have credentials saved in N8N, select the correct one from the dropdown. If not, you'll need to add your Trello connection first so N8N can access your workspace properly. Once your credential is selected, configure what to update. This is where you define the checklist item details, such as the item ID and the new information you want to apply. Make sure the values match the checklist item you intend to edit, because this action will update that exact item in Trello. Double-check everything before saving, especially if your workflow pulls data from another node, so the correct item gets updated automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to update a checklist item using Trello in N8N. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more N8N tutorials, automations, and workflow tips.